This is the Aiper Seagull Pro pool vacuum. Our family has been using this vacuum for about 3 years, and after using it for this long, I can assure that it's a high performing and weather resistant machine. As you can see, it is faded, its color is faded. However, honestly, as a busy family, sometimes we forget to take it out of the water the same day we use it. Also, once we take it out of the water, it can spend days under the sun. In spite of being exposed to the chlorine and all the chemicals and the sun and even the rain, this vacuum has not changed its functionality. It works perfectly. It has three main functions: the auto function, which does walls and ground, or you can do just the ground or just the walls. It also has a basket inside where all the debris is collected. So let me open it and show you. Right now it's empty because I'm going to run it, but I'll show you after how much it collected. And close it. Before I start it, I'm going to show you my pool. So as you can see, my pool has some leaves, probably some mulch from the around. This is how it looks. Basically, it's just mulch and leaves. Like in the corner. Uh, it does walls, but it doesn't do stairs. My pool is about 8,000 gallon pool. So let me show you how it works. So I'm going to set it for auto. So it's going to clean ground and walls. You can also just do walls or just do ground. I'm doing both. It normally takes 1 hour and 50 minutes to finish. I have never done just walls or just ground, so I'm not sure if it lasts the same. But after 3 years, its battery works perfect. It doesn't run out of battery before the hour and 50 minutes. It doesn't. It has good speed. It doesn't go too fast, but doesn't go too slow. It first does ground and then it does walls. So let me show you how it does the walls. This is my pool once it's finished, so it parks close to the wall. This is how it looks. It does a pretty good job. Okay, now let me remove the basket and show you how much debris it collected. I remember my pool had big leaves, so there they are. And it also collected some of the chemicals, some of the pH and other chemicals that I treat my pool with. I can see it there. So it does a pretty good job. I highly recommend it.